A custom receipt should feel like it came from you. Let's style and brand this one. Select a block, the thank you message, and open the Styles tab on the right. Every block ships with ready-made styles. Center it, frame it as a card, or make it a formal certificate. Top it with an icon or turn it into an elegant medallion, all with no CSS. You can add your own icon or graphic too. Just click Change Icon. Pick an emoji, choose a built-in icon, or upload your own logo, and it drops right into the receipt. Add your brand colors next. Frame it as a card, set a background, and match the text color. Tune the typography as well. Step the font size up and adjust the line height for breathing room. To style the whole receipt at once, switch to the Receipt tab and open Layout. Set the overall width, narrow for a tight letter-style receipt, or wide to fill the page. Then flip on Show as a card, and the entire receipt gets a clean background, border, and shadow. Block styles and icon, colors, type, and layout. Together, they make the receipt unmistakably yours. Save, and your branding carries on to every donor's receipt. Find more charitable tutorials at wpcharitable.com.